Hi everyone. How are you doing? How are you finding the self-isolation, quarantining, and social distancing right now? It's funny, for a long time I've heard about how routines kill creativity and how habits can cause you to become lethargic and stuck, and it's spontaneity and sparks of excitement that we should strive for. But here I am, looking for routine in this uncertain present. With everything going on with COVID-19 and everything that is bombarding us on the news and in social media, sometimes I find myself looking for something quiet and something routine. My go-to is warm, cozy beverages like coffee with a blanket and a book, maybe some snacks and Netflix, but that also feels very sediment, and I'm not sure how long this will last. But I also find it difficult to plan ahead when it comes to goals because we don't know how long this will last or what everything will look like once it's over. So instead, I've been looking at my routines and my desire to be the most productive with the most useful habits. I came across James Clear's work, Atomic Habits. He states that goals restrict your happiness. The implicit assumption behind any goal is this: once I reach my goal, then I'll be happy. The problem with a goals first mentality is that you're continually putting your happiness off until the next milestone. Goals create an either or conflict. Either you achieve your goal and are successful, or you fail and you're a disappointment. A systems first mentality provides the antidote. When you fall in love with the process rather than the product, you don't have to wait to give yourself permission to be happy. You can be satisfied anytime your system is running, and a system can be successful in many different forms, not just the one you first envision. This quote struck me. The way I prepare for my day, the way I want to bring intention to my routine and practice habits that serve me more frequently, this is something I want to keep in mind as I continue to self-isolate and work from home. It's also something I want to bring to my videos. What processes and habits am I sharing? Are these intentional? Are there habits you're looking at incorporating into your daily routine? Instead of focusing on what habits you want to stop or get rid of, what habits do you want to start? I'm hoping to upload videos twice a week, Wednesdays and Fridays. Short videos full of quiet, minimal moments. And I hope they become part of your weekly routine as we make our way through this pandemic together.